Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sell Amazon products on your website. So simply I want to add Amazon products on my Squarespace website. So simply just I will go to commerce. So now here click on products. So in your websites all the options available according to your website menu. So simply just click on products and now click on physical product. Now here I want to add the product. Simply just go to Amazon and copy the product name, simply paste it here. After that just copy the description here, just as simply paste the description here. Now after that click on additional info and here just go to this button and copy link, and now simply paste the link here. Now click on apply, and after that here you can also add the image. Simply select the product image. Now finally here you can also set the price, like if you want to put on sale or something. So simply just here you can also add the price, like here $21.9. So simply just add the price here. After that just you can also edit all these options if you want, and then click on save button. So in this way you can sell Amazon products on your website.